Welcome to Burlap Teachers. Enjoy the video.
You start by opening the relevant sheet tab and naming it so you never lose track. Once done, highlight your raw range and press Ctrl+T to make it a table. That gives you structured filters and dynamic ranges. Make sure to set each column type, date, text, or number, and apply currency formatting where needed. This prevents calculation errors later. Also freeze the top row so headers stay visible while you scroll. You then add calculations directly inside the table so formulas propagate automatically. Use structured references to keep formulas readable and stable. Next, insert a pivot table on a separate tab to aggregate by category and time. This gives you fast summaries. Once the pivot is ready, create charts linked to it, tweak axis scales and labels for clarity, and place visuals on the same tab for easy review. Make sure to refresh pivots when source data changes. You finish by validating totals and counts to confirm accuracy, then lock formula cells and protect the Sheet tab so accidental edits cannot break calculations. Once done, add a short note on the tab describing key assumptions and which cells are editable. If you run into issues, first use error checking and evaluate formula to trace problems, and make sure to trim extra spaces and verify data types.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if this video helped you.